Ready to unlock incredible savings on Temu? Let's dive into maximizing your discounts with coupon bundles. First, find your coupon bundles. They're usually located on your homepage or under your account settings, often with a banner inviting you to view available coupons. Look for a section that says something like "You have coupons." Once you found them, examine the details of each coupon within the bundle. Pay close attention to the minimum spending requirement and the expiration date for each one. This is key to planning your purchase effectively. Now, browse and add items to your cart, making sure the total value of your order meets the minimum spending requirement of the coupons you want to use. Smart shopping is strategic shopping. Head to your shopping cart. Before proceeding to checkout, locate the Apply Coupon or Use Coupon button. This is where the magic happens. Select the coupon bundle you want to apply from the available options. You should immediately see the discount reflected in your order total. Make sure it's the one that gives you the most savings for your current cart. Review your order one last time, making sure the discount is applied and you're happy with the final price. Congratulations! You've successfully used a Temu coupon bundle. Enjoy your savings.